today we're making the cloud motif for the Spring Landscapes picture set. It's soft textured and perfect for adding movement to your sky. Let's walk through it together. Now I'm using Scheepjes Catona for my Spring Landscapes picture set, which is a lovely mercerized cotton, and a 3mm crochet hook. For the cloud you'll need white, or if you prefer you can use grey. The Spring Landscapes picture set is a 3 picture, so it's got 3 backgrounds, 3 scenes, and then it's got a number of different applique motifs that can be mixed and matched across the different backgrounds. Now this is one of them, and the cloud is part of that. So let's make the cloud. We start with a slip knot on our hook and we chain 8. Of course, you can just make the cloud for anything, for a card or like a greetings card, or anything you need a cloud for. That is 8. And then we are going to single crochet into the second chain from the hook here. Let's just refocus a little bit. It will. Here we go. Single crochet in the second chain from the hook and into the next 5 chains. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got 1 chain left. In this last chain we're going to do 3 single crochets, and that will kind of work around the end. 1, 2, 3. We're going to turn and we're going to work back down the other side of the chain now with 5 single crochets. You can also crochet over your tail end here if you wish. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Like so, and then we're going to do 2 single crochets into this last chain here. So 2 into the same stitch. Okay, for round 2 we're going to slip stitch into the first stitch like so. Then we're going to work 3 double crochets into the next stitch. So yarn over, insert into the stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and we'll work 3 into that same stitch. Okay, and then we're going to slip stitch into the next stitch, and we're just going to repeat that all the way around. Okay, so we'll be doing 3 double crochets into the next stitch, and then slip stitch into the next stitch. My yarn keeps rolling around and annoying me, getting too close. Right, so just keep working around, alternating 3 double crochets and a slip stitch. So I'd really love you to come and join the Spring Landscapes crochet picture set. I'm running it as a crochet along in February 2026, but all of the pattern and everything will still be available forever. So it's available as an ebook on Etsy and Ravelry, and also as a free pattern for subscribers on my blog. The blog has all the individual motifs as separate blog posts, but you can find all of the details there to be able to make the whole thing from that point. This is a great pattern for using up scrap yarn. You can make it in any yarn you like. Cotton is good, but you can also use acrylic or wool, whatever you've got. That's sport weight or 4-ply, or even size it up if you prefer. It's entirely up to you. and it's got the Spring Landscapes crochet picture set has got 3 spring scenes, 3 spring scenes with 14 motifs, which can be mixed and matched between the different scenes. And there will be another picture set for summer, autumn and winter, so you don't have to just make them as a picture set. You could join them all together to make a blanket, or you could just keep them as pictures that you can hang on the wall, or whatever you like. There's lots of options for you to do with them. And there we have it. There is the cloud. I've gone all the way around now and completed my cloud, and all that I need to do is fasten off and weave in my ends, and then you'll have a beautiful cute little cloud, perfect for the Crochet Landscapes picture set or for any other applique use that you have. So thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you again. Bye for now.